amazing day. I feel like every single Friday we've been absolutely killing it. I made a little bit over 15K on AMD, and this was half size. So I technically made 6R, but 3R because it's based off my main size. Now you guys are gonna watch this trade live, and I'm gonna break it down after the live. AMD's gonna break off open. I'm in this. Holy fuck. Only half size, but dude, it's just running right now. Instant fucking trade. Bro, these contracts are moving right now. I knew it was gonna do that too. Half off right here. Only half size, but these contracts are moving. Holy shit, it's still going. Bro, these contracts are 55%. %80 out here. Oh my gosh, new high. What the fuck? 90% out here. All right. Bro, half size, and I'm over a 1 to 4 right now. That is amazing. Bro, every freaking Friday. Last Friday, this Friday. MU's coming up as well. So I got runners here on AMD. That is insane. What a fucking banger. I'm all out there. All right, so what was the reason why AMD was on my watch list? Now, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, this was also on my watch list yesterday because we were reacting at this 256 area. So originally my level was this 256 because we got a couple of reactions in this area. And then yesterday we kind of just stood there, which is perfect because we still stood above this 250 level. And then pre-market, we just broke it. So I was like, okay, we broke it pre-market. We've been running. This is on high alert because nothing else is moving in the market. Everything is just back down. Q, SPY, Tesla, everything is just pretty much just slow. And this is the only thing running with MU. We came up, came down, looks so nice on this 1 hour time frame because we're reacting right at this reaction area, right? This was that previous resistance trying to turn into support. We start bouncing there as well. It looks really good. Then we have this move. My level was this 263 because I wanted to get a continuation right off of that pre-market high because it's so strong. And then if we go to the 1 minute time frame, you guys can see, we've been running, and then market opened. I had a feeling this thing was just going to keep going. I usually don't take trades off open, but this is where experience comes in because this was just looking too nice to not take. Right off open, buyers are coming in. We came in 262. Buyers are still here. It's getting more aggressive on the time of sales. Everything's looking nice. I decided to take half size, so I made sure I was able to get filled and to be a little bit less risky off that open. And I got in, this thing absolutely exploded, 264, 265, started taking some off there. And then I ultimately ended up with plus 65% on my high sell and a little bit over 6R on my full ROI. But I technically only made 3R because I'm going to base it off my full size. And I'm only risking 5%, right? If I would have lost in a trade, I would have lost only 5%, half size as well, so it would have been a lot less. To make 65% on the highest sell or 30% full ROI. So amazing trade, right? 30% full ROI, risking that negative 5% for a 6R trade, 3R based off my full size, and then I was done on the day. This week has been good as well. It's literally just been base hits. On Monday, we were off. Tuesday, I made 1R. Wednesday, I made 1R. Thursday, no trades. And then today, 6R, technically 3R. So I'm just going to say 3R for a total of 5R on the week, which brings my total to 20R on the month, which is phenomenal, right? If I was risking 1% per trade, I would be up 20% on my account, which is pretty high, right? That's like elite status right there, especially 20R. Major proprietary trading firms, you know, they aim for around 10 to 20 R for the month. 20% on their account is pretty high as well. If you're risking that negative 1%, it all just comes down to math. Now, if you want to watch me trade live every single morning, the link is in the description below. And I hope to see you guys in there. Peace.